In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Now click on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and click on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to change order of your contacts on the list, hit Reorder at the top right corner, hold the chosen one and drag it to the proper place. When you finished, to discard your list, use this X, and to save it, hit Save at the top right corner again. To remove one of your contacts from the list, not from your device, click on this X next to the chosen one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!